So whenever anyone comes to know that you understand astrology or you know a little bit of astrology, the first reaction they will give you, please say something about me. Tell something about me, help me out, or guide me, something like this. And how you reply, or how all of us, even including me, how we reply, we keep saying that okay, but I need to check your horoscope, I need to see what's there in your horoscope. So we always say that we need to see what's there in your horoscope, what inside the horoscope, कुंडली में क्या है. But astrology is not always about what is there in the horoscope. It's much more about what is not in the horoscope, because there are 12 signs, 12 houses, but only 9 planets, and among them 4 are malefics: Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, Mars. So obviously few signs will be empty, and definitely it's bound to be that few signs are going to be afflicted, because these 4 planets are going to be somewhere or the other way. So obviously most of the things we are going to lack, some of the other things we will always be lacking. So that's why I want you to people understand what is not in the horoscope. So that's the reason the topic of today's session, today's class, is not in my Rashi. We'll find out what is not in our Rashi. So clear? Not in my Rashi. Now, I'll not go much on the theory thing, because 12 signs, 12 houses, 9 planets. But I'll only talk about today 12 signs. So you'll be understanding, just by understanding 12 signs, we can predict many things. Just be attentive, nothing else. Just be with myself, that's it. And automatically you will be grabbing it. You don't have to push, as I said, you do not have to force yourself to understand many things. Now, signs are Rashi jo hai. Signs are divided in many categories on the basis of various factors: so gender, then characteristics, elements, manner of rising, and then even geographical places, many ways, caste system. But today I'll be just talking about classification of the signs as per the elements, tattva. And this is called triplicity. And why it is called triplicity? Because in every section there are 3 planets. So let me just show you, let me share the screen, that'll be easy for you to understand. So as per the tattva or elements, signs are divided in 4 sections: fire, earth, air, water. And every section you can see that 3 signs are there: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Libra. So this is called triplicity. So when you talk about triplicity, the very first section is fire sign. Okay, fire triplicity, fire trine: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This is fire trine. This is called dharma trikon, dharma trine. So it is all about dharma. This is all about principle. This is all about our vitality, how we lead our life, how we should lead our life. This is fire trine. Now this is earth trine, Ardhi trine. This is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And this is also called financial trine. So you can understand it all, deals with, these are all deals with finance. It's all about finance things. And the third thing is air trines. Air trines are all related to Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. This is called desire trine. It's all about your desire. It's all about your desire, lust. This is called desire trine, air trine. Air trines are desire trines. Now finally, the water trines: Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. This is called moksha trikon, final emancipation, how we connect to the spiritual world, or it's better to say that how we connect to our soul, how we connect to the Paramatma or God. So that is final emancipation, moksha trikon or water sign. I'm done for the theory today. That's all about the theory. Do not get puzzled. So please do not ask any question right now. I'm not here to, this is not about moon sign. This is about all the 12 signs I'm talking about. Signs. When you say Rashi, it's Rashi. I'm not talking about what's your Rashi. Your Rashi can be Aries, but there are other Rashis also. आप क्या बोलोगे? आपके 10वीं घर में कौन सी राशि है? It doesn't mean that you're on your 10th house there is a moon, right? We call everything Rashi. What is your Rashi? Then it's where is your moon. But everything is Rashi. Makar Rashi is Makar Rashi, Aquarius is Aquarius Rashi. So that's how it is. So I'm not going to take any question right now. I said that just listen carefully. Do not keep typing. I'll not be liking it, interruption, because otherwise you will not be getting. So what I was saying, that was all for the theory part, that the three different, four elements are there and 4 trines are there, and what are these trines are all about. This much, I guess, very much understood by all of you. And even if you do not get it, you will be getting it as the class will go on. So theory, that is all about the theory. So do not get annoyed कि my God कितना सीखना पड़ेगा, पता नहीं कितना दिमाग में रखना पड़ेगा. No, that's all. That's all. So now, you know, how our life starts, how we starts growing up, how we starts, starts our life. So we starts our life by keeping the mind that we need to start earning. We need to settle down in life. We need to settle down our lifestyle, and we need to keep on having all the basic necessities. We need to secure our life. So just to secure our life, what we keep on doing, we keep on working. We keep on, the entire world, almost entire world. It doesn't matter you are rich or you are poor, but entire world is running behind one thing. They want to secure their future. They want to secure their present and future. And for that, you need to be very much consistent. You need to be consistently working. And consistently working means you need to have a consistent source of income. Whether it's a job, whether it's business, it doesn't matter. It will have to be consistent source of income. So people are always insecure to secure the future of himself and the family members. You need to be consistent, number one. And secondly, it's not about that we need, all these luxury things. People are mostly running behind and working day and night, sweating and whatnot, the hard work they are doing consistently. Why? To provide a basic house with basic amenities, some basic, one decent car, children should go to a good school, good education, that's it. And that should be consistent. That's why we always keep on mind. And there's a reason in India, people like mostly what they like to be in government job, because that is consistent. एक बार गए तो चलो इतनी जल्दी कोई नहीं निकालेंगे. So you will be able to pay your bills on and on and on. So that's what we keep in mind. And that's why government job is so lucrative for many of the people. So basic needs, that's what we all are running behind. We need stability in life, stable income source, stability, and basic requirements: roti, kapra, makan, health, wealth, health, education. These 5 things should be consistent in our life, and we are always running behind to have these things in our life, to get provided. So we are running behind these things. Now let me share one thing, and just let me check that what are the things this horoscope is missing. I'm just sharing the horoscope, and let's check, as today's session is all about what we are missing. Okay, so this horoscope, what this horoscope is missing? This horoscope is missing the Taurus sign. There is no planet. Let me check. The Taurus sign, there is no planet. Virgo sign, another Ardhi sign, there is no planet. Then the last Ardhi sign, Capricorn, and there is no planet. So his earth trine or financial trine is completely empty. So this person is not having any security, the money security, financial trine is empty. So he is not having much of, what is it called, much of sense of security in his mind. So he is not good in handling the money. He's not consistent. He is not stable. He is unable to provide the stable lifestyle to his family members, because he's not consistent. He is not good in handling the money. So what he does, he's earning perhaps 10,000 and he's spending 12,000. He is not calculative. When it comes to money matters, he is not a calculative guy. His mind doesn't work in this way. So there is no backup money. Why we are insecure in this corona season, right? We all need to have a backup of money. Why? If any medical emergency, if anything comes out, so there should be a little bit of money to support us. Emergency. So this person, when are the signs are empty, the person will not be having that sense of insecurity regarding the money. If you go to such kind of people, and ask that, I need 10,000, can you lend me? Maybe this is what he's having, just 10,000, itna hi paise hai. And if you somehow can convince him and say that no, within 1 week I'm going to return you back, he will give you. It's not that he trusts you, it's because he doesn't have the sense of insecurity. Ye nahi hai ki if he doesn't return, what if he doesn't return, and by the time he will be returning, how I will go ahead, because I was having all that I was having, just 10,000. So bad these sort of people are in handling money matters. So this guy, the basic necessity, the art science are basic necessity, right? I say he doesn't have house, he doesn't have car, he doesn't have any bank balance, because art science are gone. So all these things will happen only when either art science are empty or highly afflicted, either of them. So if you are all of any one of them, like who keeps on earning money and then he keeps on spending in within 1 week, and then the next 3 weeks you keep on just waiting when again the first week will come and you will get the payment. Agar aap us type se ho, then 100% your empty art signs are afflicted or empty, either of them. So the finance imbalance comes only when these things are happening. Most of the time, I will say, most of the time. So when you understand this part, when you understand, then this sort of people are going to do the charity, because they will be like, yeah, I have to give someone, I have to help someone, okay, let it be. You will not think that if I give this much amount, how much amount I should give. You will just be giving. So all these big people, those who are giving the charity, those who are doing lots of charity, not little bit, lots of charity, उन सब के art side में गड़बड़ होगा. Like who is the biggest charity guy? Bill Gates, right? Bill Gates he does lots of charity. Even he is doing so much so that he doesn't care. He doesn't care about his future and all these things. He is no more in the top 3 list of Forbes list, because he is doing so much of charity. Otherwise, wo to top mein hote. His art sign will be afflicted. So at the end of this session, I'll take his horoscope, because I don't have his horoscope saved in my laptop, this laptop new one. So I'll be talking about it perhaps later. But what this is, something will happen when the art sign is empty. So he'll not be stable. He doesn't know how to meet his basic needs. He's not consistent. He's not stable. He doesn't have the money management power, finance balancing, or finance handling skill. Then why someone will keep him in job? He will get fired. Obviously, he will get fired. Right? He will get fired. So when art sign is completely empty, these sort of people are not for job. अभी आपके कोई रिलेटिव आया, मतलब कि your cousin is just 14-15 years old, 12th में है, so can you please check, a little bit of astrology, can you please check what he should do, which job he should go for, and you can see that art sign is empty. You can see that art signs are otherwise very, very afflicted. What will you say? You will say that I don't think he's for job, maybe he can do something else. Or even if he gets the job, he will keep on getting fired from the job. So eventually, ultimately, he will come back to his own work. That is something good, that there is no one to fire such kind of people, but they are not consistent. Now what if exactly opposite is happening? The art sign are not empty, and art signs are not empty, and art signs are not even what is it called, not even afflicted. Then what will happen? Let me share one more horoscope. You'll understand that in that horoscope how this sort of thing are happening. Yeah. Now see, the Taurus sign is having Jupiter and Moon. 6, Virgo is having Mercury, and Capricorn is empty. One is empty, so 3 planets in earth sign. And the person, these earth signs are not even afflicted. You can see that there is no Rahu, Ketu, all these things. So 3 planets, and all these planets are not making any sort of affliction. So he is very good in handling the finance. He knows how to make 10 from 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12. He knows all these things. He is very good in handling the money. He is very, very good when it comes to providing himself and the family the basic needs, basic lifestyle, and consistently basic lifestyle. So he starts earning from very young age, क्योंकि उसके दिमाग में finance की बातचीत बहुत जल्दी चलती है. He's insecure. If you are not insecure, you will not feel like you are insecure, because if you go out from home, you may have corona. You are insecure. That's the reason you are not going. Otherwise, you would go, right? So he is insecure. He will do charity, but he will never do the charity without thinking much. He will never be having this sort of life that, I earned 10 bucks and I just spent 10 bucks. No way. He will be saving at least 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 5 rupees out of that 10 rupees. He will always be doing things very, very calculatively, and a consistent guy. So in money matter, these sort of people are very good. I hope you are getting whatever I'm saying. So when earth signs are not empty, earth signs are filled up with planets and not even afflicted, then these people are very good in handling money matters, finance and finance stability consistently. They can provide, basic necessities will be met, the required things will be done quite efficiently, and they can build up money. They will be stacking up money. The very one more thing, they will be stacking up money a lot for themselves, because they're insecure. What if I lose even that much of money? I have 10,000, that's okay, but what if I somehow lose the money? So let me stack up more, 20,000, 30, 40, 50 lakhs. They will keep on saving, just because the insecurity. What if I lose something? What something happens tomorrow? Then I need to have the backup. So they will be stacking up money for them, for the next generation, next 10 generation. A little bit of miser also, because they're very calculative while giving the money, while handling the money, while spending the money. So that's how you can see these sort of people. They will be having basic necessity. The first horoscope I have showed you, no planet in earth sign. That guy is, I guess, 46 born, 1946 born, and still he doesn't have a 0 rupees in his bank account, because he is not good. It doesn't mean that he never earned money. No. He earned money in various ways. That is different. But he was unable to get hold of the money. He was unable to provide the consistent life to his family members. So obviously, they went through a lot, right? So now, whenever you see that sort of thing, that you have earned a lot, but still at the end of the day you don't have anything in your pocket, or still at the end of the day you have seen that you couldn't make a house, you couldn't make a car, you couldn't make any investment, that means your art sign are not good. It's that simple. So it's a reverse engineering. When you understand this one, you can when you have the horoscope, you can understand what will be the characteristics of the person, how he's going to do the actions. And if you know the person, you can imagine, oh, definitely art signs are in trouble. So it's a reverse engineering completely, I'm telling you, with the references, with the storyline. I hope this much is understood by all of you. Now, basic necessities has been done. Abhi roti, kapra, makan, ghar, var, sab ho gaya hai. Almost all done. Now you're happy, and consistently you are able to, maintain your life, your parents, your mother, brother, sister, everyone. So you are cool. Now, when basic necessities is done, what comes in our mind? Enjoyment, pleasure. Now you want to enjoy. Now you want to go for the pleasure. So, okay, now it comes to do the enjoyment. Now you keep on thinking, then I want to go to, a vacation with my family, maybe Disneyland with my children. these are the things actually keep on going in our mind. Once a little bit of insecurity is gone, there is no insecurity for running behind the basic thing. So then what do you think? Okay, let's enjoy. Enjoyment comes in our mind. आता है कि नहीं आती तब पक्का enjoyment आती है. Now when basic necessity is done, 110% enjoyment is going to come. Now I'll share one horoscope, and please tell me in this horoscope what he is missing. And I am sharing the screen as well. Now in this horoscope, Gemini sign, no planet. Libra sign, no planet. And finally, Aquarius is having, but it's Ketu. It's more of affliction rather than having something. Or na bhi hota to badhiya hi hota. That's how I feel. So when the calm trikon is empty or highly afflicted, this guy doesn't know how to be happy. He doesn't know how to enjoy his life. I'm not so happy, but he doesn't know how to enjoy his life, how to be relaxed. Air trine, it gives enjoyment, pleasure. Air, we cannot see air, right? We can only sense. So sensual gratification, senses ke jitne bhi, all the what is it called? All the gratification of senses we get when the air signs are very, very active. It's filled up with lots of planets. So this guy, what he does, let me tell you. He goes to Flipkart. He likes a denim shirt or all the raw cotton shirts. He likes all these things. So 2-3 shirts, he put them in, what is it called? He put them in the basket, and then he comes out. It's not that he cannot afford it. He can afford it very well. 2-3 shirts, 2-3 shirts to kharid sakte. But he is too much serious about his life. He cannot take the life easily, and he thinks that abhi kharidu, rehne do. He doesn't know how to enjoy his life. So he comes out of the Flipkart. So every month almost he does the same thing. He opens the Flipkart, he chooses few things, he sends them to the cart, and after looking here and there, he comes out. He doesn't buy because he doesn't know how to enjoy life. It's not a big deal actually. It's not at all a big deal. It's just buying a few shirts, and he can very well do that. Air trines, it gives freedom. Air is fully, you just cannot get hold of air. आप अपनी मुट्ठी में मतलब हवा को डाल ही नहीं सकते. वायु, it has the freedom. So he doesn't know how to enjoy the freedom. बहुत बार वो मुझे बोलते हैं कि अभी मैं क्या करूं, अभी तो मैं थोड़ा free हूं. So he doesn't know how to be relaxed. He doesn't know how to enjoy. He doesn't know how to have pleasure. He doesn't know how to be a little bit of light-minded, and he is very bad in communication. This is calm trikon. So these air signs are very good for communication. He is good in speech. Speech is different. Communication is different. He is good in speech. His speech is very good, but his communication is very odd. So he will be just talking, perhaps sending you 2 words, 3 words, and he feels that just by typing or saying 2-3 words, the entire sentence one can keep on imagining. That's very bad. When air signs are empty, these people go on assumption. ये लोग assume कर लेते चीजें बहुत जल्दी जल्दी, and that's not good. So these guys are actually very stressed people, unnecessary stressed people. When air signs are empty, they're not good in communication. They don't have ideation. They do not have ideation. Idea nahi hai unke paas. They are not, the mentally over here, they're not much active people. But exactly opposite will happen when someone is having a different horoscope. What exactly going to happen when all these air signs are completely filled up with planet? What we can expect? Let me check. Gemini having Jupiter. Libra is having 3 planets, and Aquarius is empty. Though Mars is here, but still 4 planets in air trine, airy signs. What we can expect when air signs are very much filled up, these people are all talk, no action. They will just talk and talk and talk. They are the idea people. This guy is an idea guy, complete, lots of ideation he is having. He's very good in communication. He has vast circle of people. It doesn't mean he is having 50 friends, 10 friends. No, in various community, various field of people, he has lots of link up. So that's what networking is, a huge networking. He's a sort of willer dealer guy, he has jugaad, of everything. So that sort of people, when air signs are very much active, lots of talk, no action. So they do not value commitment. If they are asking money from you, what you should do? You should not give. You'll be saying that within 3 days I'll return you money. No, he will not, because they do not go by their commitment. So you should not give the money. And if you are giving the money, so perhaps you will return it, not after 3 days, after 3 months. So always you need to understand the signs first, the elements first. So when air signs are so active, these guys are flirt. And the peculiar thing, they love enjoyment, right? They love pleasure, entertainment. So how they're going to work? Maybe this guy, he's working, he's doing something very, very serious. For 10 minutes, perhaps he's walking a lot, and 5 to 10 minutes, somehow he'll be working. It's not that he is tired, he's not focused. He will feel that, no, I'm unable to focus anymore. I'm not liking it. What he will do? He will then go to Facebook. He will see the updates. Then he will go to YouTube. He will check a few videos or something, and then he will be like, okay, now let's get back to work. So he will be having breaks after breaks after breaks. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है, आप ऑफिस में जाते हो, पूरे 6 घंटे 8 घंटे में एक ही ब्रेक मिलती है आपको, आधा 1 घंटे के लिए. And if you keep on taking the breaks after every 10 minutes for break for yourself, okay, it's then how it's gonna happen? So he will not be able to be in job also either, because he will get bored. He wants change, he wants entertainment, he wants pleasure, he wants enjoyment. So दूसरों के अंडर में काम करके enjoyment नहीं हो सकते. So this sort of people is also not good for that. But yes, they are the communication people, they are the idea people. So they can do in communication, they can do good in in marketing sort of thing. Lots of creativity they have, but very bad in managing time, very, very poor in managing the time. They are not serious about their life. That's a very, very first thing. They are flirt, and they are not serious about their life at all. They don't know how to be serious in life. That's the main troubling thing about them. So when a girl is approaching you for marriage, after opening the horoscope, you can see that air sign is so much packed up with planets or very afflicted. You will say that, no, I'll not go with this guy. What? This girl. Why? Because she is not the one who will stick to her commitments. She will be just talk, all talk, and no action. And somehow perhaps not so good for being a partner. And if you think that, why my last girlfriend, she left me, why she went for someone else, you are still crying, then open her horoscope, maybe she is having all the air signs active. You may never know. So now you understand, looking at talking to people, how you will be understanding what can be in the horoscope. And looking at the horoscope also, you can find out what can be the characteristics of this person. So these sort of people with lots of planets filled up in air signs, they are not at all good in doing the stereotype work again and again, and not at all. They're moving. They're always moving. हवा को देखा आपने, air, it's always moving. So they are moving. They're always moving. अभी मैं अगर मेरा पंखा तेज कर दूं, so my air, my clothes, everything will start moving, right? So that's how they are. They keep on moving a lot. Movement is very necessary, and they are relaxing. They want to enjoyment. They are not at all serious about their life. It takes lots of time for them to be serious. So you know now, when air signs will be active or not active, both the way, how the life is going to be. So now you will be able to decide in your mind which sort of girl you should or guy you should pick up. अभी तो enjoyment भी होगी. Basic needs were done. Enjoyment is also done. Now, once you are back from all this enjoyment, now what do you want? You want to grow. You want success. Now you want to reach somewhere else. You want to reach in one position where everyone will be looking at you like this, looking up, looking upon you. So you want to reach on this position, and where it's like you will tell yourself that within 5 years I want to be the CEO of this company, I want to have a luxury car, I want to have a luxury house. I mean, you want to reach yourself to some other level. Ambition, now huge ambition, and you have the fire inside you. Now you feel that, no, I have the fire inside me, and I know I can have that. The fire will work as a magnet for me, and I can grab everything. अभी आपको लगता है कि नहीं, अभी बहुत हो गया, now I want more and more and more success. Why? Because I have the fire inside. Now let me open one horoscope and find out what is missing in that horoscope. Now have a look in this horoscope. Aries having Ketu, Leo having nothing, Sagittarius having nothing. So the fire trine is almost empty, and the one which is Ketu is afflicting actually. So this person is, this is actually a girl. She doesn't know how to act. She is not having any action in her life. No action. So this fire sign, actually, what fire is the first sign. Very first sign is fire. Even fire is so important. Agni Dev. Now let's get back to Agni Dev first. I'll get back to this horoscope again. So when it comes to fire, Agni is a very, very important god in our mythology. Very important. Rig Veda, this is the first Veda, and the first chapter of the Rig Veda, it has 1,000 shlokas, and among them, the very first shlok is dedicated to Agni Mile Purohitam. So Agni is very, very important. Even the first sign, Aries, Agni sign, right? Fire sign. So Agni is so important in our mythology, in our life. Why? Because fire is the one which connects to Bhulok to Sarglok, from earth to heaven. This is the one which connects. So if you want to grow up, if you want to have the blessings of God also, still you need fire sign. अग्नि को देवताओं का मुंह बोला गया है, the mouth of gods. So what we do whenever we do any sort of havan yajna, we keep on having the fire, the furnace. So वहाँ पे हम बस हर बार स्वाहा बोलते हैं. Every time we say swaha and we put something on the fire. So because he is the one who is connecting us with the God, the fire is very, very important. He is the medium to reach anywhere. He is medium to reach Swargalok. देवताओं के पास पहुंचना है, भगवान के पास पहुंचना है. So fire is very, very important. So when this fire is missing in horoscope, you don't have any action. You don't have any action. You don't have any guts. You are submissive. No action. Also, you are losing in vitality. Now let me now this horoscope, fire sign is completely empty. She will get dominated by other people. She cannot do much things because she doesn't have the guts to even take any step, because fire signs are not much active. Maybe fire sign is getting activated by her dasha, nakshatra, all these things, but it will always be less. Why? Because fire sign is mostly, in compared to other signs, it's empty. So fire sign is not getting activated. The person is going to be always lack of action. Always lack of action. Someone else will dominate her. She will be lacking in vitality because there is no fire. And success, it will be very hard for her to get the success just by hard work, not possible. You need to do action, right? Just by thinking and thinking, it's not going to work. You need action. So progress, success is going to be hard for her too, because fire gives the action. Because fire is like magnet. अभी यहाँ पे अगर आग जल जाए, आप लोग नहीं देखेंगे, सबसे पहले आग जाएगा. Oh my God, fire. Fire is something we human are not afraid of fire. We have domesticated fire. हमारी घर पे आग जलती है ना. But animal, they are very much afraid of fire. आप आग जलाओ, animal, they will go run away. But humans, we are the only one who has the control over fire. We know how to use fire efficiently. We have domesticated it. हमने घर पे ले आए. Fire, water, we have domesticated it. So this fire is so important, and when we don't have fire, gone case. Now the horoscope, very first one, where I talked about, that this guy was not having any. Now this is the horoscope. So many planets in fire sign. This is visible, right? And moon also. Though fire sign is getting afflicted also a little because Ketu is there, right? But his maximum planets are in fire sign. So fire has the magnetism. Really, it has the magnetism. एक fiery आदमी जब अंदर घुसेगा, someone will enter home, and it's no way then you can ignore him. He has the fiery personality. Try to understand. He has the fiery personality. So he, personality wise, he's a very powerful insan in that way. But too much fire, it will burn you. So when it's too much fire, though we are the one, we know that we can domesticate fire. Fire is something we can really domesticate, and human beings are the one who has domesticated the fire. Please, can you mute? All of you, please mute. I'm asking everyone to mute. Otherwise, I'll have to go to the same thing again and again. Please mute everyone. So yes, what I was saying that when too much of fire, then it will burn you. And human being, we have domesticated the fire. मतलब हमने fire को घर पे ले आए, हम fire के ऊपर हमारी इतनी काबू है. So when we have all these things, then it will have to be very much easy for us, right, to control the fire. So this guy is having too much of fire, and he just an action guy. Just action not going to work. Because, let me tell you why. Fire is not in automation. फायर अपने आप नहीं जलता है. आप अपने आप आग लग जाएगा क्या? नहीं लगेगा ना ऐसे. Fire is not in automation. It takes fuel. It needs fuel. And when actually fire is not in automation, you need fuel. You need ईंधन की जरूरत होती है फायर के लिए. Then what's going to happen? What is the fuel for fire? Fuel for fire is air. So if there is no air, that means there is no idea. Then you don't know how to take action. You just know how to take action, but you will have to have the proper idea on which you need to take action. यहाँ तक समझ आई ना अभी? That it's just not action going to help you. You need to have air signs also activated. If there is no air sign activated, a proper support system from the air sign, and only fire, only action. क्या करना क्या है? Okay, I'll be doing something, but kya karu? What to do? Who will give the idea on which idea you need to act? That's the trouble. So this person is actually the horoscope I have shared with you, all of you. His air signs are very afflicted, Saturn, Rahu. So he never got much of support system from the ideation. He is not an idea guy. He doesn't have a good idea. All his idea will be very crooked idea or very kya batao. That means it's not a good idea to work on. This will take him somewhere else. अच्छा करने के अलावा उल्टा ही कर देगा. And too much of fire gives also inconsistency, because every time you just think that it's okay, it's done, I'll do something else. So you will start something, halfway you will stop, you will start something else. So you need to you want to do you just want to do action. खाली action करना ये कुछ थोड़ी बात है. You are not an action leader, right? So that's where this guy was missing a lot. He was missing out everything over here on this matter only, because he was an action oriented guy completely. So when too much of fire is going to be there, people will not be much people are not going to be much into consistent action. And the funniest part is what they don't know on which to work. So someone is having lots of air sign, idea. As I said, they are all talk and no action, because they need the support system of fire. अगर फायर नहीं है तो खाली आइडिया से क्या करना है? एक्शन कौन करेगा? आइडिया के ऊपर काम कौन करेगा? खाली blah 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 is not going to work. And these action oriented people, the fire people, they just, it's like, ma'am, I want to do something, I so want to do something, ma'am, aap bas bata do, main dikha dunga. You don't know, you don't have the idea on which you need to act. That's it. So the air and fire, they will have to be in proportion to progress, to grow, to do something new, to success in life, to have successful in life. Aap samajh aaya kahan pe hai? I'm sure this is making sense to all of you, that where you guys are actually lacking, or whenever you have a look at any horoscope where things you guys are, what are the things you guys are missing, now you can understand. So that's what I'm saying, fire and air. But when too much of air, that's troubling. It will scatter the fire, so action will be very much interrupted. क्योंकि आप देखना, वो बहुत ज्यादा आग में अगर हवा दो तो वो यहाँ वहाँ बिखर जाती है. So it will have to be proportionate. पर कोई भी चीज इतनी proportion तो नहीं होती है ना, because affliction will be there. As I said, 9 planets, among them 4 are malefic, and then signs are 12 more. So something or the other is always going to be lacking. Now you understood how to have the progress in life, growth in life. Air and fire will have to be in proportion. If there is no proportion, I will share one horoscope at the end of this session. You will understand that how to integrate air, fire, water, earth, everything. So that will be a very good practice session for all of you. Now, progress bhi ho gayi. Now I'm successful. I'm so much successful that people are looking at me like this always. I have all the luxury. I'm feeling like Indra. Okay? You know Indra. So I'm feeling like Indra right now. I have everything. But you know what? Indra is very insecure guy. He is always insecure that what if Lakshmi runs away? क्या होगा अगर कोई मेरा स्वर्ग छीन ले तो? So he's a very insecure guy, and he is always running behind Lakshmi, and no one loves him. We don't worship Indra, right? Indra is so powerful. He's so successful, or whatever the way you say. Even in mythology, we do not use the word successful. He's powerful. Definitely, he's powerful. He has Kamdhenu, he has Kalpataru Vriksha, and still he's insecure. And no one loves him. Then he realized, oh, there is one more god, Vishnu. He's so secure. He's so secure. Lakshmi runs behind him, and everyone loves him. So many Vishnu temples, not a single Indra temple. So many Vishnu temples, and people are loving him. People love him. People love him because he cares for people. He loves people. He says that your growth is my growth. He's so much in love with people. He helps people. He stands for his devotees. Narsimha avatar भाग के आए वो, आए ना? Kurma avatar, when the earth was in trouble, he took the shape of Kurma, tortoise, and he survived. Because of him, we all survived, the entire earth. So he's the one who is helping, and people loves him. He understands people's problem. Then you being an Indra on that position, then you realize all these things, and you went so up. You climbed the stairs. You climbed the stairs of the success. You reach so up. You are away from everyone. You're away from your family, your family members, your friends, your relatives, everyone. Now it came in your mind that I want to be lovable. I want people to love me. I want people to care for me. I also want to reach people. Then what to do? Change the policy. It's that simple. Change the policy. What to do now? अभी अगर आपको lovable बनना है, change the policy to करिए. Now you want to be like Vishnu. And how to be like Vishnu? Indravindu sab ho gaya hai. Now you understand that, oh God, it's what did I do? I spent my 30 years or 40 years, 50 years of my age in one thing. I reached somewhere, and then I found that I'm so aloof and no one is much giving care to me. I have power, I have money. It's okay, but then still no one is caring for me. Still, like Indra, we don't worship him, right? And still he is so insecure. So then we change the policy. Now let me share one horoscope. In that you'll be understanding what are the things are actually missing in this horoscope. Now have a look in this horoscope. This person is having so many planets in Cancer, Saturn in Scorpio, and Pisces. So all the water trines are so much filled up with planets, but very much afflicted. Very much afflicted. Till now, I kept on showing you this sign is empty, that sign is empty. Now it's filled up with planets, but empty. Sorry, but it's very much afflicted. It's filled up with all these planets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 planets are there, but all are afflicted. So what does it mean? When these sort of things are so much afflicted, water trines are afflicted, Moksha Trikona is afflicted, he is not good in nourishing others. He is not good in understanding others' problem. He is busy with his type of problem. He is not supportive to people. Water trine, what it does, water trine afflicted, that means he's a parasite. He's emotionally, he becomes parasite when a water sign is afflicted or water sign is empty. Water signs are empty, the person will be very much emotionally parasite. They are always reliable on others. Money is not motivating them. What is motivating them then? Emotion motivates them. They are the hard guy. They are not the brain guy. Brain se wo chal nahi paate hai. Not possible. So when, am I audible? Clear, because some azan sound is going on, but I hope I am audible to all of you and it's not that noisy. I hope so. Let me check. Audible. Yes, audible. Thank you. Thanks a lot, everyone. Okay, I got it. Okay, thanks, Shwetang. So when water sign is so active, then the people, they are the very first thing of the water sign activated, water trines activated. They understand, they connect emotionally. They are the people of connection, not that air sign, just communication, blah, blah, blah. They connect emotionally. They are emotionally reachable people. They are quite dependent. It's very hard for them to be independent. They're always dependent. Most of the time, emotionally, financially, this way, that way, but they're dependent. Kaise bhi ho, they are dependent. And water flows downwards, okay? So they have that innate vibes of going down. So they need support. No, aise thodi hoga ki you are drowning. No, you cannot. So that water keeps on flowing down and they also keeps on drowning all the time. There's a trouble. But when someone is not having much of water sign activated, what does it mean? The person is emotionally off, complete off, emotionally complete gone case, emotional constipation, you can say. They don't care for your trouble. They do not care for your trouble. They do not, even if you say the trouble to them, मतलब तुम बोल रहे हो कि पता है मेरा तो ऐसा हो गया है, पिछले महीने में मेरा सैलरी हाफ आया है, ये वो, they will just listen and they will like, okay, सबका होता है. So it's sort of emotionally they're off. They're quite off. And people don't like. They do not get emotional nourishment in their life. Whole life, they do not get emotional nourishment. And they are also not capable of nourishing others emotionally. They cannot connect with others' problem. But they perhaps will talk about their problem, but they will not be able to connect with others' problem. And when the water sign is so much active, what can happen? It will actually give the connectivity to the other one. You are unable to completely fulfill your trouble. I mean, solve your trouble, not fulfill, solve your trouble, but you are able to solve others' trouble. You can, in a second, you can understand someone is in trouble. You can relate someone emotionally so well that someone is in trouble and you are unable to sleep. You are always, so negativity catches them real fast. So that's how actually happens when water sign is so much active. So they always keep on being in their intuition and their dreams. When water sign is so much active, they connect to inner self. So when inner self is Paramatma, so they're very easy for them to be devotional life, to be in consultation, to be in teaching line, consulting life, जिसमें आप लोगों की प्रॉब्लम सुनेंगे और लोगों की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे. So that's what they are very good at. But if it's afflicted, then gone case, then completely gone case. They may even do you emotional blackmail. So that's how it's keep on working. Now you will say that, ma'am, Obviously you say that there are less number of planets and more number of signs. So when the imbalance is definitely going to be there, how will come out of it? How we are going to balance it? Balance तो कहीं ना कहीं करना ही है. So balance we can do in many ways. Number one, we can do by symbols, we can do by worshipping God, we can do by vastu, we can do by our activity in various ways, right? So now when we need to check how to do the balancing things, so let me just share one thing about the symbol. So when you understand the symbol, so that'll be very easy for you to go for what sort of yantra, what sort of thing you should work on. I'm just yeah. This circle is actually the Akash Tattva, not Vayu Tattva, the ether. But in astrology, there is no ether thing, you know. It's the circle is for ether or Vayu Tattva, whatever the name you give. The square is for earth. The symbol of square is जिसमें कोना है, जिसमें corner है, that is for earth. Why the kshetra? This is called kshetra. When we measure the earth element, how we do that? कि 35,000 square feet rate चल रहा है मुंबई में, कहीं पे 40,000 square feet चल रहा है square feet. So the earth is actually symbolizes as square. As I said, fire goes upward. Okay, so this up. Let me just do this one. Where is it? Yeah. So this upward trine is fire. So obviously the downward trine is water because it's going down always. So this is water, and this side two trines are air. They are moving. They're always moving. This air trine. So you need to understand all these yantra, all this numbering, how it works. So this is the way you can also go for your balancing things, your not only balancing, I'll say this remedy, you can say. Now the other way of remedy comes, like someone is having too much of our desire. That means बहुत ज़्यादा क्या है? Let's say he just want to do भोग and भोग and भोग. He is so much insecure. He just want to pile up money and money and money and money. Too much into materialistic thing. You need to pray Shiva. Why? Because Shiva is complete Vairagi. He switched off all his thing. His eyes are closed and he switched off everything. He shuts down. He doesn't want to see anything. So when you are too much into materialistic thing, and Shiva is someone who is not even 0% in all these things, he is. So that will actually, it's not Mahadev, it's not Shankara. Shankara is someone whose eyes are open. माता ने कहा शंकर को कि ओके चलो आप तो घर बसाना पड़ेगा, you don't have any hunger, it's okay, but what about the hunger of my children? So when you have the empty empty art signs, then you can worship Shankara. So Shiva and Shankara, these are two things. They can actually balance you, whether you are having too much of art sign or whether you are having not at all any art sign. So Shiva and Shankara, the names are different. Okay, so name matters a lot. So नहीं ये मत बोलना कि हाँ भाई रुद्र शिवा भैरव सब एक ही है. No, they have different manifestation and different way mode of working. So that's how you need to go on first of all. So this is all about art sign. What about the air sign? Air, calm trikon, right? Air signs are calm trikon. So when you talk about the air signs, when you talk about the air sign, and air signs are afflicted, air signs are empty or too much air sign, calm trikon. काम देवता जो है, अभी आते थोड़ा काम देवता में. So काम देवता is someone who loves freedom. As I said, airy trine people, they love freedom. He loves freedom. He is the planet. He is the god of he's the god of freedom. He's the god of creativity, lust, desire. And desire ऐसा नहीं होता है. When air signs are very, very much filled up, like I have shown one horoscope, air signs are so much filled up. Libra sign was so powerful. So he has the desire. It's not the desire that I want to be PM. वो ambition होती है, अलग बात. वो focus होती है, goal होती है. That's not the goal. He just he has the desire to enjoy all the silly things. So when air sign is there, the Kam Devta, he is the planet of, god of desire. He is the god of lust. He has a parrot. He's a very colorful parrot. So in that colorful parrot, he keeps on going wherever he wants to. He has a bow made of sugar, and he has the arrow. He shoots the arrow, which is full of made of flowers. And when he shoots the arrow, he doesn't think much. He doesn't take the responsibility. He doesn't think about the consequences. जो हाँ जाना है वहां जाके गिरे. So he is creative. He loves freedom, but he is not responsible. So when you are responsible, then you will be having restriction, and he doesn't like restriction. But the other god, there is one more god whose name is Yamraj. So Yamraj क्या करते तो पता है? He makes you accountable. He makes you accountable for your work. He makes you disciplined. So Yama and Kama, they are very opposite to each other. If you have 0 planets in air sign, that means you are working like a Kamdev, always serious. Yamraj, always serious in life. You don't know how to actually enjoy life. But if you are having lots of planets in air sign, then what is actually working? You are working like that Kamdev. You feel restricted, you feel insignificant while following the rules and regulations, while following the discipline, because you like freedom. So how to balance this one, Yama and Kama? It's like to follow the rules or not to follow the rules. It's so, dicey thing. What to do? Vishnu has 4 hands. In one hand lotus, another hand club, gada, chakra, wheel, and then he has one more shank, conch, phukte hai. So these 4 are symbolic. So his conch is for communication, his lotus flower is for appreciation, and his club, gada, is for discipline. It will make you disciplined. And his wheel, chakra, is for review. So आपको अगर मैं पूछूं, what do you hate most about your boss? What you are going to say? You say that I don't like when he asks me to be disciplined. I don't like when he reviews my work. And when you love him, when you like him, I like him when he communicates. I like him when he appreciates my work. So what does it mean? It means that the gada and will is the section which works like the Yamraj, and the lotus and that shank, conch, works like the Kamdev. So he has 2 sets of things, and Kam and Yam, he is the only one who can balance. So those who are having air element imbalance, the 1 horoscope or 2 horoscope I have showed, both of them actually keep on worshipping Vishnu a lot, because that's the way they can balance their air elements. Now it comes to fire element imbalance, whether you have it, you don't have it, or afflicted. These are the 3 things we can have, right? So fire elements are something like you have the power, but you don't know. The very first thing you have to keep in your mind that aapke paas fire to bahut hai, action. Do you have the idea to work on it? So you need to check whether air signs are there or not. So you need to know how to activate the air sign. You have lots of air sign, you don't have fire sign much or activated, then also again you will not do action. This is very important for air and fire, and these two will actually ensure your success in life. And monetary gain, obviously earth sign. आपने हो सकता है आपके बहुत सक्सेस हुआ. Okay, now let me tell you one thing. You earn perhaps crores of rupees, but then somehow you lost it within few years. Why? Because you are not good in handling the money things, because your earth sign is very much troubling. Now for fire imbalance, what do you need to do for fire imbalance? For fire imbalance, I feel if someone needs to do strength. You don't have much fire sign. For the strength, you please keep worshipping Hanumanji. Hanumanji was someone who was not having strength, and then later he was an animal, right? वो तो वानर है, वानर सेनक में है, तो वानर जो है वो प्रभु भक्त राम भक्त बन जाते हैं because of his power. He has so much of power. उनके पास अष्ट सिद्धि है, this है, that है, so many things, but still he knows how to come down in front of the Prabhu. In front of Prabhu, he doesn't keeps on showing off his power, right? So you have lots of fire sign. You need to, and you don't know what to do. You need to worship Hanumanji. You have no fire sign activated. You need to worship. You can do this one also. मतलब I mean आप हनुमान जी की सेवा भी कर सकते हैं. Also सूर्य. सूर्य को स्वर्ग का अग्निदेव बोला जाता है. So you can worship Surya too. So that's how you need to do. And then finally, water sign. Water signs are those, you know what? They are good in understanding the problematic matter. उनको हमेशा सपोर्ट चाहिए. हमेशा सपोर्ट तो कोई नहीं करेंगे. ब्रह्मा भी नहीं करेंगे, कोई नहीं करेंगे. बाकी इंद्रदेव तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं आएंगे. Then who is the one who can help you out all the time? Because air sign activated too much. What they need? They need always support. They are not independent people much. Emotionally, they're very much dependent. Vishnu, 110% they should actually keep on worshipping Vishnu's avatar, Narsimha avatar, I will say. So this is one thing works for them a lot. Even my water signs are very active. I keep on praying Narsimha avatar. So that's how you need to balance. Now, this is one horoscope which came very recently to me. I guess even 5 to 6 days back, I got this horoscope. I was doing the consultation of this guy. And let me share it. Fine. Now, look at this horoscope. The very first thing how I had a look at this horoscope, I have seen there are lots of technique I can use because it's been so many years I'm in astrology. There are so many tabs you can see in this Jehora. When you will be able to learn how to use all these tabs, all these chakras, all this dasha system, transit, all these tabs, then you will understand, okay, I know astrology, number one. But the basics are very, very important. You know why? Whenever any horoscope comes to you, I know that you will be saying, अरे इनका तो Saturn नीच का हो गया, debilitated है, retrograde है. Yes, that is visible. That is very much visible. इसके लिए आपको किसी की जरूरत नहीं है समझने की. But what happened? इसके होने से, just by being debilitated, what's the result this guy is going to get? We'll talk about that one. So you guys are lacking in what you know. You don't know the basic interpretation. Today I talked about so many things just by interpreting one part of the astrology, elements of the signs. I didn't talk about the quadruplicity. I didn't talk about the quadruplicity. Quadruplicity is like Chararashi, Sthirarashi, cardinal, movable, dual. I didn't touch all these things. I didn't talk about the trines mostly. I just talked about the element trines, not the house trines. So just by understanding this much, आप अगर इतना कुछ समझ सकते हैं, so you can understand how much you can talk about when you will understand the houses, planets, and when you reach nakshatra, then sky is the limit. Now, this horoscope. So the very first thing I looked at this horoscope is the Lagna degree and all. I kept on checking, and then his fire sign is having 4 planets, and his water sign is having 3 planets. So he's the combination of fire and water. This is very basic astrology. आप बोलोगे मैम इतना कुछ जान के इतनी बेसिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी करना है क्या? क्योंकि इंटरप्रिटेशन ज्यादा इसी में है, नहीं तो मेरी कोई शौक नहीं ये सब करो. So when the fire sign is afflicted also, okay, Saturn is debilitated, Ketu is there, but 4 signs are there. 4 planets are there. So the this what is it called? This fire sign is much more active. So when fire is active, what's the rule? Air will also have to support. हाँ भाई मैं बस एक्शन करना चाहता हूँ, मुझे कुछ करना है, पर क्या करना है? Air sign is having only one Rahu, and he has other supporting planets also for him. That's okay. So I looking at this one, I say his earth sign is having only only Sun. His financial trine 2, 6, 10 is also missing. His fire sign is so active, afflicted and active. I said you are a business guy, you are not a job guy. He said yes. I said you do something related to consultation, or communication consultation, that sort of thing, and finance related thing you do? He said, yes, I do that. And I said, 2019 onward, 2018 onwards, your life went to hell. He said, yes. How did you say that? I said the Sarvada Bhadra Chakra and Kota Chakra. That's all fine. Now, why did I say all these things? And I asked him, what do you do? He said that my company is listed in Bombay Stock Exchange. So obviously he is a super rich guy. और बहुत बुरे फंसे होंगे तभी तो मेरे पास आए हैं. So actually what happened, let me tell you, there is no support system from the air sign. And when there is no support system from the air sign, his only Aquarius Rahu is there. So Rahu in Aquarius is good, but then not much in front of the whatever the fire he is having. So there is no fueling to his fire. इतना बड़ा आपने चूल्हा बना लिया और उसमें fuel नहीं है, कुछ लकड़ी नहीं डाल रहे तो क्या फायदा? So he could click with one sort of idea, the consultation business, the financial consultation or whatever he does, and he could take his business to that level. He is actually listed in BSE. It's a huge thing. It's a huge, huge thing, right? But he couldn't sustain it. Why he couldn't sustain? Where the trouble came from? Can you understand from the horoscope? It's because Earth sign is not there. He's not insecure. He's so bad in money management. When he earned a lot and lot, he kept on putting investment here and there, which was not much lucrative. All his investments right now is completely on zero, and many trouble is there. I'm not elaborating all these things, but too much of fire, no air support. So always he had the tendency of starting something new, because I have money support, I have lots of money, I should do something else also. और कुछ. So इससे क्या हुआ? The idea was not good all the time, because idea could click only one time, which was beneficial for him. But the other time, whatever he tried to start, these things actually failed very horribly, very badly. And he thought that I don't have ideas, so what? I can hire people. I have the money. I can hire people who will work for me, who will give me ideation. It didn't work again. So that's how he went on minus and all these things. So that's how you need to look at the horoscope. That's how you need to see that what can, then the Dasha system will come and all these things different. But just by understanding this much, we can see all these things. Now, let me stop this one. And if someone has the horoscope of Bill Gates, that will be very good to talk about. Anyone has? So just one second, I have the horoscope. Who is talking in this? Ashish Singh. Ashish, listen to me. Ashish, listen to me. I have the horoscope of many people, those who are having so much, kahan pe, ISO company, and they are having the company in Singapore, and very nicely maintained company. Saturn debilitated, Mars debilitated. Oh my God, Saturn's dispositor Mars is also debilitated and still doing better. There are many other things. It's just not this one. Fine. So what I was saying, so anyone has the horoscope of, I'm just unmuting any option. I'm just going for the unmute option. So anyone of you.
बिल गेट्स का चार्ट लेना है, मैंने ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट पे सर्च किया.
हेलो. यस. बिल गेट्स का चार्ट आपके पास है? बिल गेट्स का हॉरोस्कोप आप मुझे
गूगल पे सर्च किया जस्ट फ्रॉम एस्ट्रोसेज वेबसाइट. तो कैन आई शेयर और
yeah, you can share. Now you can see Gemini horoscope, and I hope every one of you actually has seen that. Now, see, the very first thing I want to say, his maximum planets are in, he's the idea guy. He's the very much idea guy. 3 planets are in air sign. वही तो idea के साथ आए ना वो. So much of idea he could have. Okay, he's the idea guy. Now, the second part is that if he is having so much of air, what we should look for? Is he having that much of fire? He is having one fire sign. But that is very good fire. The Jupiter is in Leo. That is very powerful. But air sign is afflicted. So somehow he could somehow he could just manage to click once with one idea कि भाई मुझे operating system बनाना है. That's what he did, right? Operating system banana hai, he could click only once. After that, he couldn't click with any more things. His Surface flop, his Windows Phone flop, Nokia खरीदने गए flop. फिर one more thing he has done, वो I forgot, many things blundered. He just couldn't sustain any other because the air signs are having 3 planets, but afflicted Saturn, Sun together. Sun is debilitated. Only Venus could, hold it up. उससे क्या हुआ, एक ही बार जो भी आइडिया क्लिक हुआ है वो काम कर पाया, बाकी और कुछ खास काम नहीं कर पाया. सो द फायर साइन वाज वेरी गुड. सो वंस ही कुड एक्ट ऑन वेरी वे, जस्ट ओनली वन प्लैनेट बट कंप्लीटली अनब्लेमिश्ड. हैव अ लुक, वेरी मच अनब्लेमिश्ड. ना तो जुपिटर से राहु देखता है, ना तो केतु देखता है, कोई नहीं. जुपिटर इन लियो, फायर साइन एंड एयर साइन. सो समहाउ ही कुड क्लिक विथ ओनली वन आइडिया ऑफ making operating system, and this is the only thing he could do better. Now itni charity, so it should go as per my rules, right? Because he has done lots of charity. Itni charity hai कि he didn't think of कि भाई I need to keep for my next 10 generation or piled up money. He didn't think in that way. Why? Mercury, Mars is there, and one more Ketu. The money making sign Ketu is gone. I mean Taurus is gone. And that Virgo, that is also afflicted by Mars. So his Moksha Trikona is having, now the connection coming, his Moksha Trikona is having Earth sign. So obviously Moksha में अर्थ का क्या काम है, अर्थ जिसको कहते हैं money, finance का क्या काम है. Of course one sign is empty and both the signs are afflicted. One is by Mars, one is by Ketu. So he made lots of money because Mercury is there, exalted. He made lots of money, but in handling the financial matter he is not good. When it comes to charity or when it comes to making new, क्योंकि उन्होंने Bing खरीदा, फिर पता नहीं क्या Bing नहीं, he opened something, I forgot, its name is Q something, billion dollar he spent on it, but that was a super flop business for him. So he is not good in handling the money. Just one, he is a money making guy because of his idea, and he could act on this very one idea, not 10 ideas. So ऐसा नहीं है कि वो तेल बेचने की कंपनी भी उनके पास है, सॉफ्टवेयर की कंपनी भी उनके पास है, घर बनाने की कंपनी भी उनके पास है. No, just one. और वो भी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में एक ही ऑपरेटिंग विंडोज की चल रहा है. That's it. No phone, nothing. So I hope you understand that's how you need to check the horoscopes. Vicky Vaswani, class details. I'll share the link on my thing someday, that there are lots of modules for the class. All of you can join, and the classes are not compact. I don't like lots of people in one class because everyone has different level. आपकी जो level है किसी और की वो नहीं है. So I keep class one-on-one class, so only you and me. I do not give batch class, so it's individual classes. So it's very easy for someone to ask, someone to understand, and I always go by practical things. So what are the things I talked today? Trust me, इतना समझने के लिए मुझे एस्ट्रोलॉजी कॉलेज में कई दिन लग गया था, because they didn't talk in this way. They just talk, these are the 3 signs. They didn't take any horoscope. They didn't talk how to apply practically. So all these things were very, very much missing. Now who is raising the hand or something? Anyone else want to talk?
Yes ma'am. Ma'am, मैं अपनी कुंडली का एग्जांपल दूंगा. There are 4 planets in Karka, Cancer, and its lord is also Chandrama, Moon. He is also watery planet, and Shukra भी कर्क में ही है. So I think this is the very good example of watery sign.
You are saying you are having 4 planets in Cancer, and the lord of the Cancer is also in Cancer.
No, ma'am. He's in Taurus. Chandrama in Taurus.
Forget it.
But it's a watery planet.
So forget it. Stop. You are again, see, क्या होता है जब when people are like, I know many things, then they mix up the things. So when you start from the scratch, like I don't know anything, then it's very easy to learn. I didn't say that भाई इसका लॉर्ड वहां बैठ गया, वो वहां जाके हो गया, उसका डिस्पोजिटर यहाँ आ गया. That's what you were actually saying. You are saying the 4 planets are in Moon, and Moon's dispositor is also in Cancer. Do not mix up. Then
Okay,
the
ma'am.
sky is the limit. फिर में आएगा इसका aspect. The sky is the limit. Right now, go step by step. It will also come. वो भी आने वाली है. I'm not saying
ये
it's not gonna come. That is also come.
जी
So you are saying your
तो
maximum planets are in. Hold on. Your
यस
maximum
मैम
planets are in
यस मैम
water
सन
sign.
जी हाँ
Water sign. It doesn't matter which are the things. Sun, water signs, and your. But fact is that, is there any other planet is in Earth sign में कितने planet है?
मैम अर्थ साइन में मून है सिर्फ वृष में, टॉरस में मून.
That's it. So you say that your 4 planets are in water sign, and only one planet, that dispositor of it, that's what you are saying, the Cancer, that is in Earth sign. Still, I will say that you are not good in money management. You are not good in handling money, because you believe in what you are doing. You believe in saving rather than investing. You don't know how to invest. You don't know how to invest intelligently. You just know how to stack up money. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपको, क्योंकि वो मून है ना, I don't know, Rohini, Kritika, where is it? But
रोहिणी
yeah, moon in Taurus, you just know how to stack up the money, but you don't know how to invest money very intelligently. That is missing in
यस
you. Water sign is so much. See, I don't know anything about your horoscope, right? But just by knowing this one, I could say all these things. इसके लिए मुझे क्या नहीं करना पड़ेगा इतना बहुत ज़्यादा. This is not rocket science.
ओके
So
मैम
that's what I
करेक्ट.
keep on telling people, that if you know science, मैं अगर साइंस ही आपने इतना अच्छा सीख लिया, हाउस इतना अच्छा सीख लिया, प्लैनेट्स इतना अच्छा सीख लिया, फिर तो क्या बताओ, 50% एस्ट्रोलॉजी उसी में आ गई है. एंड देन कम्स द अदर थिंग्स, नक्षत्र एंड ऑल. एंड व्हेन यू गो फॉर द नक्षत्र एंड एवरीथिंग, then it's what to say, then you can talk everything almost you can. Still you will miss out some things, because we are not Brahma. And Rupinder, yeah, okay, I guess I know you, right?
Yeah, we've talked before.
Yeah, you wanted to take classes, I can remember. Yes, Rupinder,
Yeah,
say.
yeah. So
तो आपको
we
पता
are
चला आज
talking
कि हम
about
कहाँ से शुरू करते हैं, right?
yeah. So I was just thinking, so in this way, so most of us will be having, because obviously there are 3-4 malefics, and so most of us will be having these trines afflicted, right?
Crisis तो होना ही है.
Yeah.
Crisis के बिना नहीं हो सकता है. Definitely, if there is a crisis, how you will go run behind all these things?
Yeah.
Definitely,
so like
you'll be running behind to balance all these things. Yes.
Yeah.
Now.
So I was thinking, like, I have no planet in Kama trine, right? And in Artha trine, you can say I am financially independent. I've got a government job, but then there are 2 afflictions. Saturn Rahu is there in the Artha trine. Okay. Moksha trine maybe. Moksha trine also, I have 3 planets, 9th house in the and the Cancer. It's also again a Cancer Rashi.
Wait. इतना कुछ cobweb. I cannot check your horoscopes.
So
hold on.
Ketu comes there, and in the 5 trine Mars comes there. So all are afflicted, right? Basically.
I got it. And now, Rupinder, please mute yourself. I will, answer you. You said that most of your, almost all the trines are afflicted. Almost all the trines are more or less afflicted. Now you need to understand which trine is having maximum planets, whether it's affliction or not affliction, and which trine is having little less affliction. उसी का आपका मिला जुला काम करेगा. फिर तो आपको जाना पड़ेगा केपी समझने, केपी से कौन से हाउस ज्यादा एक्टिवेट हो रही है, क्या सब लॉर्ड है. Then it is very easy to understand. पर उस लाइन तक जाने के लिए बड़ी मुश्किल है. So once I look at your horoscope, then I'll be understanding immediately. I'll be able to say, I know that you are a doctor actually, but definitely your water signs are working much more than your earth sign. Positively ho or negatively ho?
Mine is mostly dharma and moksha, because they are either in dharma trine or they are in moksha trine.
So वो consultation, लोगों का काम करना, लोगों के problem समझना, this way से आप doctor हो.
Okay.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yes, you are so late. Say.
Ma'am, the prominence of which element is important for the spiritual advancement of a person?
Water, moksha trine. हे भगवान, इतना कुछ ये तो ऐसा हुआ कि सारा सुनने के बाद अभी आप आके बोल रहे हो, रुपिंदर, meet yourself. सारा सुनने के बाद आप आके मुझे बोल रहे हो कि मैम कौन सा चाहिए? Because what we talked about that, the moksha trine is for final emancipation. परमात्मा को समझना, उनसे connect करना.
All right.
Even fire
Ma'am,
signs
can
are
I?
even fire signs are there, but I will say that fire signs, it's very hard to go by a fire sign. वो जो fire sign में आप हवन करोगे, अग्नि के थ्रू भगवान जी को messenger, he is the messenger of God, अग्नि के थ्रू आप भगवान जी को सारा भेजेंगे. It's not so easy actually, but water signs is very easy. Devotion, when you talk about water signs, Vishnu है ना, Vishnu, then you don't have to send a messenger. You just need to connect little bit, bhakti, bhav. Then Vishnu is always ready to help his people. Then वो आएंगे आपके पीछे भाग के, और उनके पीछे पीछे लक्ष्मी भी आएंगे, सब कोई आएंगे. So you don't have to think about it much. Now you understood that for spirituality,
Okay,
mukta
so
sign,
ma'am,
water is.
so ma'am, I just want to know, like, so the combination of good fire element and water element is the best combo for spiritual progress, right?
Yeah, for
Fire.
spiritual progress. Yeah, well, now mute yourself. Now mute yourself. When fire is more, water is also there. Fire and water are maximum in horoscope, or combination is still going on. इसमें भी तीन है, इसमें भी तीन है. Please mute everyone. Combination में ये भी उतना, वो भी उतना चल रहा है. What's gonna happen? Fire is fire. Then water will distinguish you. तो इससे क्या होगा, आप अपनी जो प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में, इन योर मटेरियलिस्टिक लाइफ, यू आर अनेबल टू रीच एनीवेयर मच, क्योंकि एक्शन है तो एक्शन को बुझा देता है, बंद कर देता है. वाटर साइन ये भी होगा. तो इससे क्या होगा, आप थक के, रो के, बहुत मुश्किल से, देन यू विल गो, perhaps after a long time you will go to spirituality, but it will come, the spirituality will come after so much of failure in life. Why? Because action and no action, these are equal in horoscope, almost equal, because action and water is no action. Water is passive, there is no action, and action, active is home, fire. तो फायर के साथ वाटर होना तो एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट हुआ ना. अपने आग जलाया, फिर पानी लगा दिया, बुझ गया. So either it will have to be only fire, either it will have to be only air, then only water, then easily it will come. फायर वाटर होगा तो आपको क्या बताओ, आधा जिंदगी उसी में निकल जाएगा कि यार मैं कुछ कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ. व्हेन यू विल बी सो मच अनसक्सेसफुल, इतनी फेलियर के बाद याद आएगा, अच्छा चलो आप चलते, आप तो भगवान ही कुछ कर सकते. फाइन, आई होप यू गॉट द क्वेश्चन.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
I have one question. My name is Ashish.
Yes, Ashish.
Actually, ma'am, as per you, what is the balance chart? You can say, like, every person chart having or 2 or 3 planet affected. So as per you, what is the balance chart, you can say? Can you brief about this?
That's a balance. It's very hard to have a balance chart actually. And when you say just elements wise balance हो रही है, तो फिर पता चलता है कि element wise actually नहीं हो रही है. किसी horoscope में some nakshatra is very prominent. Balance तो नहीं है. If someone is balanced, then the person will be, क्या बताओ, महापुरुष type बनेगा. Very, I have not seen any balanced horoscope till now. It's very rare. I cannot even recall any horoscope like this. Always there will be some or the other, and major setbacks will be there. थोड़ा बहुत नहीं होती है.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Fine. So I guess I almost understood. I covered up almost everything. I hope so actually, as much as I can. Last question, this one.
Last, if ma'am, if the sign and her trine is empty or afflicted, then will it impact on earning also, or only management of money?
Management of money and earning also. If your RD sign is financial trine also, तब तो ये भी करेगा. अगर Aries horoscope नहीं है तो देखिए कि आपका जो 2, 6, 10 houses financial, like someone asked me right now, Rajesh Saha, where were you when I was talking about that, 2, 6, 10 is RD trine, financial trine. So he's asking which element is for money. So obviously the RD signs are for money because they are the natural फाइनेंशियल ट्राइन, जो अर्थ त्रिकोण के साइंस है. सो यू नीड टू सी योर अर्थ त्रिकोण में कौन है, एज पर योर लग्न. वो कोई भी साइन हो सकता है अर्थ त्रिकोण में 2, 6, 10 हाउसेस में. एंड यू नीड टू सी द नेचुरल 2, 6 हाउसेस में 2, 6 साइंस. दैट मींस द आरडी ट्राइन. सो इफ आरडी ट्राइन इज अफ्लिक्टेड, 2, 6, 10 का भी कोई आता पता नहीं, देन ऑब्वियसली यू विल नॉट बी अर्निंग मच. एंड इफ यू अर्न, देन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू डोंट हैव एनीथिंग स्टिल. ऐसा ही होगा. So I hope I'm clear right now. So all of you, whoever wants to join the class, you can inbox me later on Facebook or somewhere, so I can talk about the classes. And I hope whatever I say today, it sorry, I forgot that. Yeah, so whatever I talked today, I hope it made some sense to all of you, and you people could understand whatever I was saying. And that's it for today. Whoever wants to
Thank you, madam. Thank you for
welcome,
your,
welcome.
so that we can understand by taking a small part of the astrology, we can predict or we understand many things.
Many things you can predict, many things. तो जो लोग सोचते हैं ना कि अरे मैडम मेरा तो ये समझ में नहीं आया, मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखना है, ये वो, पहले तो बेसिक सीखिए. People don't know how to predict because they don't know the basics. This is the main thing I have found out. Even in me, it was the same thing. Then I didn't understand the science. I didn't understand the, like you are saying, all of you can ask me, actually you people have this much of knowledge कि मेरा तो Saturn यहाँ पे आके यहाँ पे ऐसे ऐसे debilitated हो गया. When you understand this much, why you are unable to predict? Because you don't know how to interpret it. आपको meaning नहीं पता है sign का, house का, planet का, तभी तो नहीं आ रहा है ना. You are unable to integrate all these three things, and then let's come other things like nakshatra and all. So you are lacking in basic things. When you understand the basic things, the astrology is quite easy. I'll not say super easy, but quite easy. So whoever wants to join the class can message me or inbox me in Facebook. And that's all for today. And I hope I made the sense. And I will be, updating and uploading this video soon now. And so you people can watch it again and again and again.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thanks
All
a
of you.
lot, ma'am.
Thank you
Welcome.
so much.
Hope for few more classes, ma'am.
And I thought of giving actually one session. I don't know whether I should give it on Facebook or over here. That I wanted to give one session because I'm so pissed off of listening one thing. Will I be successful? I just hate this question. Will I be successful? So I'm so pissed off listening this one, that will I be successful, and I somehow don't like it. I wanted to make people understand there is no such concept of success in this life, and I don't know what to say. And people keep on reading all these self-help books, like, how to be millionaire, how to be this, how to be that, and all Robin Sharma book and many books. Okay. This is a very bad conception in their people's mind, perception also. So maybe I'll talk about it later, but that is not exactly about astrology. It's a different thing, different philosophy, but it relates to me because I need to answer people when they will be successful. Anyway, so bye for now. Good night to everyone, and keep reading, keep learning more.
Thanks, ma'am. Good night.
Yes, good night. So let me check.
Thank you so
where
much.
to.
Thank you
Welcome.
so much.
Welcome.